How to disable your store password on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to disable your store password on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up shopify.com and you will get to your admin. So here we are, and on Shopify we have a store password that is enabled, but if you want to disable it, then it's really easy to do. You will simply click on your online store right here, and then it will open up more options for you, such as themes, blog post, pages, navigation. So you have to click on the last one, which is preferences. So in preferences, you have to scroll down all the way to password protection. So you have to go to password protection right here, and you can see my store has a password. So I will just get rid of it, so I can just remove it. And you can see, to remove your password you need to pick a plan. So for this, the only drawback is you can disable your password if you have already picked a plan. If you're using the trial, then unfortunately you cannot do that, but of course you have a plan. So just go to password protection and you're going to remove it and click on save changes. Once you do that, your password will be disabled and you can get rid of the password on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.